You open it? You open it? You can open it yourself. Nothing fun on that page. What's that?
Let him get excited on his own. Let's pass the girl stuff. That's not fun. Oh, that is awesome. I know, that's cooler than a Jeep you got.
Oh, sorry.
What's on the next page? More cars. Coupons.
What is that, buddy?
You'll like those eventually, Nerf guns.
Mom. Mom, I received.
Really? What's this? What's that?
Slamber.
Really?
I see.
Why don't you tell Daddy some of the words we learned today? Can you say sun?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry, Mom.
Can you say sack?
Everything.
Can you say socks?
I Jason.
Who's that?
Jason.
Who is it? You say it?
Ah.
I gotta get a better look. You know who that is. Who is it? What's his name?
ABC.
It's not ABC.
ABC.
Is it Percy?
ACB.
Where's Percy? That's not Percy.